Quick heads up, click the link below for exclusive discounts while you watch. Holy crap, I've been getting scammed for 2 years straight. I was paying $130 a month for Semrush when I could have been getting nearly the same results with Mangools for just $20. That's over $1,300 I basically threw away. Before you make the same mistake, click the link below for exclusive discounts on both tools so you can try them yourself. Here's the thing, Semrush has 55 plus tools, but honestly, how many do you actually use? Most small businesses and content creators only need solid keyword research, rank tracking, and basic competitor analysis. That's exactly what Mangools delivers, and it does it beautifully. Mangools gets a 4.5 out of 5 rating, while Semrush gets 4.8. We're talking about a 0.3 difference for 6 times the price. If you want the full breakdown, I linked my favorite deep dive below. Now don't get me wrong, if you're running a massive agency and need every bell and whistle, Semrush might be worth it. But for most of us, Mangools' clean interface and focused tools get the job done without the overwhelm or the wallet damage. The keyword research is accurate, the difficulty scores are reliable, and you won't spend hours trying to figure out which of the 50 features you actually need. So check those links below, grab your discounts, and stop overpaying for complexity you don't need. Your bank account will thank you. Links in the description for your special offer. Tap it now and test both.